Avatar, a tale of interconnectedness, empathy, and environmental harmony. Once upon a time in a distant world called Pandora, a moral story of interconnectedness, harmony, and the power of empathy unfolds. In this wondrous planet, lush with vibrant flora and inhabited by extraordinary creatures, a clash between two civilizations becomes a catalyst for change. Jake Sully, a disabled Marine, finds himself transported to Pandora as part of a scientific experiment. In his human form, he is tasked with infiltrating the Na'vi, the indigenous humanoid species, by operating an avatar, a genetically engineered body that resembles the Na'vi. Initially driven by personal gain, Jake soon immerses himself in the rich culture and spirituality of the Na'vi. Through his interactions with Neytiri, a strong-willed Na'vi warrior, Jake begins to appreciate the interconnectedness of all living things and realizes the devastating consequences of human exploitation on Pandora's ecosystem. As Jake's bond with Neytiri and the Na'vi deepens, he becomes torn between his loyalty to his human compatriots and his growing allegiance to the Na'vi and their sacred connection to the land. Witnessing the destruction caused by his fellow humans, led by the greedy Colonel Quaritch, Jake must make a choice: fight alongside his new family to protect Pandora, or succumb to the destructive path of his own kind. In a breathtaking climax, the Na'vi and Jake's human allies unite against the overpowering forces of greed and destruction. Through their collective strength and unwavering determination, they successfully repel the human invaders and preserve Pandora's fragile balance. As the story concludes, Jake undergoes a profound transformation. He realizes that true power lies not in dominance and exploitation, but in the understanding and respect for all living beings. He chooses to permanently transfer his consciousness into his avatar, embracing his newfound identity as one of the Na'vi, and commits himself to preserving the harmony of Pandora. The moral of this mesmerizing tale is the importance of recognizing our interconnectedness with nature and embracing empathy and understanding as guiding principles in our lives. Avatar teaches us that progress and growth should never come at the expense of our environment or the well-being of other species. It urges us to find the courage to challenge destructive systems and protect the beauty and sanctity of our planet. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.